Welcome to another edition of our Snap Call. I'm Abhinav Girdhar, founder of AppyPie. And today's question comes from Richard from Sweden, and he asks, how can I make money from my app? Starting with the easiest option is to primarily go ahead and monetize your app. You can monetize your app using AdMob, that is from Google, or you can also use our platform AppyJump. You simply need to go into AppyPie's dashboard and simply activate the button to start monetizing. What monetization is primarily displaying banner ads, interstitial ads, video ads on your app, and for each impression that you get on your app of that ad, you get paid for it. Another method which I highly recommend for you is to primarily offer in-app purchases. If you are a video content producer, you can offer some sort of a freemium content. A lot of videos could be free and then you could have a paid sort of content available. You can do that with articles as well. In AppyPie, we do have an in-app purchase feature where you can have free content, you can have premium content, you can have paid content. So I would suggest you use the freemium sort of feature where you can have free as well as paid content. Another way of doing it is primarily using the login page in AppyPie, where you can actually have a subscription feature. So when a user logs in to the app, they can access to all the free content. But if they want to access the paid content, they would need to sign up as a paid subscriber. You can also offer your app as a paid app, but I'm not very sure about this because not a lot of users primarily install an app because they haven't tested. To basically get them to pay upfront is a brave sort of decision. But imagine if you have 1 million installs and you're charging each and every user 99 cents, that means you have got 1 million in your bag. So, and a lot of people or a lot of users have actually done it very effectively. But again, you need to have that stickiness in your content in order to have that sort of confidence that a user would pay upfront in order for them to first pay you and then install that. Another very effective medium that our clients have been using is using their local knowledge and getting sponsorships on their app. So, for example, you know a restaurant, a local restaurant or a local barber shop, you can go to them, talk about the users you have on your app, get them to give you some sponsorship options, tell them about the user base that you have. This could actually be very, very fruitful. Last but not the least, you can also act as an affiliate where you can place banners of your merchants on your app. So anyone who basically clicks on that banner and installs their app, you get a commission. Their website has offers which offers such service. However, if you want to earn substantial amount of money from your app, what you need to do is you need to start promoting your app. More installs, more downloads, you can start earning more. And here is the link in which I talked about how you can promote your app and get more than 1 million installs. And here is the bonus tip. If you're getting tons of traffic on your website, convert that website of yours into an app and publish it on Google Play and iTunes. And here is a tutorial link in the description which helps you convert your website into an app. There are tons of ad networks that have come over the last 7 to 8 years since mobile monetization has picked up. However, if you ask me personally, some of the top ad networks that come in my mind would be AdMob, which is Google's ad network. Along with that, you can also use Facebook's own ad network for monetization. And then after Google and Facebook, there are some other names like Zomato, a very good ad network. Then you can also go to media.net. You can refer to InMobi. AppyPie has its own ad network. We also have very decent eCPM rates as well, which is called AppyJump. You can also refer to that. We've also used AppNext, personally as well, a very decent app network as well. We've used EPOM also, a very good ad network. So in terms of the, the payout, it totally depends upon the kind of impressions you have on your app. So we commonly refer to this terminology as eCPM. It basically is cost per impression. How many impressions does your app get? And it also depends upon the kind of ad units you are wanting to install in your app. You could have a full screen interstitial app banner, or you could also involve or add video units. So video units are always much more interactive and they have a much more higher payout as compared to banner ads or banner ad units. But these days, a lot of interactive banner ad units have also come into place, also have a very decent payout in terms of the eCPM rates. Then there is another genre of ad networks which pay you on performance. What I mean by performance is that you need to do a specific action or pay on an install basis. In these that come in my mind are Supersonic and Chartboost, so you can definitely give them a try. Most of all these ad networks offer you an SDK, so you can simply take in this SDK and plug it into your app, or they also offer you an API. But in terms of API, there are some networks which support API and SDK both, but most of these networks, they all have an SDK in place. With us at AppyJump, we support both API and the SDK model. If you like this edition, then do share it on social media channels like Facebook and Twitter, and remember to subscribe to our channel.